Okay, real quick. Today what we have is a Honda Civic 2005. I'm going to do a thermostat change on it. What I started with was going under the vehicle, and there is a drain plug here that you have to unscrew. It looks like this, and if you can see it, it goes right in there. Once you unscrew that, of course, it starts leaking radiator fluid, and you go ahead and take off the cap to make it go faster. What I did was I took off this little assembly right here of the intake and unplugged this connector right here that goes to the thermostat. Push, you'll hear it click, pull it off. This is the thermostat hose. Take that off. Your thermostat is right in here. So there's two bolts, one there and one right there. Now we'll take your thermostat out. That's the housing right there, and your thermostat is right inside of this housing. I'm using a 10mm to take it out. So just take out the two nuts. There's a bracket over here on this one, so just remember to replace it how it came off. Okay, so basically part 35734 is this little rubber grommet or gasket, whatever you want to call it, that goes on the thermostat. So that's how it's supposed to look. Goes in that groove right there. This goes in at the top. So once you have everything ready to go, I kind of cleaned off the surface there. Your thermostat is going to go in like that. So now hopefully you can see it. Going just like that. You can feel it kind of click when it goes in, and it's not going to be able to turn right or left. And once you got it back on, it's going to look like that. Then you could reconnect your connectors and your hoses. Hopefully your motor looks cleaner than this. Click that bracket in, and that's about it. And that's how you change a thermostat on a 1.7 Honda Civic. Thanks for watching.